In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix fail to verify username error in Minecraft Tlauncher multiplayer Aternos server. So let's get started. We're gonna look at various fixes so you can go ahead and make sure that you follow all of them for the issue to be fixed. The first one is double check username consistency. Double check username consistency. So, ensure that the username you're using in Tlauncher matches the exact username you registered on your Aternos server. Minecraft usernames are case sensitive. Make sure the capitalization is correct. The next one is update Tlauncher. Update Tlauncher. So regularly update Tlauncher to the latest version to ensure compatibility and bug fixes. The next one is restart Tlauncher and Minecraft. Restart Tlauncher and Minecraft. So close both Tlauncher and Minecraft completely. Reopen Tlauncher and try connecting to the Aternos server again. The next one is check Aternos server status. Check Aternos server status. So check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance on the Aternos status page. If there are issues, then wait for them to be resolved before trying again. The next one is verify account status. Verify account status. So ensure your Minecraft account isn't banned or restricted on Aternos. If you believe there's an issue with your account, then reach out to Aternos support. The next one is try a different Minecraft launcher. So try different Minecraft launcher. So if the issue persists, consider using a different Minecraft launcher like Multi-MC or Babylon Client. The next one and the last one we have is check for Tlauncher specific issues. So look for any known issues or workarounds around this error in Tlauncher forums or communities. So alright guys, I'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.